Hi, I'm Belinda and I'm going to show you how to make a naturally derived shampoo for long and damaged hair just like mine using the Create Cosmetic Formulas program. So first, let's select the shampoo formula. Now in this formula, I'm going to be picking a chelating agent. I'm going to use sodium phytate because I want a mostly natural and naturally derived formula. I want to make sure it's really conditioning and caring for long and damaged hair like mine. So I'm going to pick polysugar quat because it's a naturally derived material. There is a synthetic portion, but it also starts from a natural source. And I'm going to add this at 3% to make sure it's nice and conditioning for my hair, even though it's a shampoo product. I want to put an active in my formula so that it's nice and active for my long and damaged hair. So I'm picking the baobab protein because there's some great data on this material. And I'm going to input this at 3%. Now I'm going to add some extras as well to help boost the story about this product. I'm going to be adding some blue lotus and some marshmallow to support that nourishing and caring theme for my dry, damaged, long hair. And I'm going to input these at 1% each. For my primary surfactant, the one that's going to be doing most of the cleaning and foaming, I'm going to be picking the sodium lauryl sarcosinate. And because I've got a lot of hair, I'm going to input it at 23% in this formula. This is a diluted material, so it's actually not too much of the surfactant. I'm going to companion this with some cocamidopropyl hydroxysultane so that it's very caring on my hair, but still foams and cleans well. And because my hair's so long, I'm also going to use a fair bit of this material because it's also diluted. I'm inputting it at 20%. I'm going to add a super fatting material to make sure the product feels really soft on my hair and when washed off. So I'm picking polysugarmol D9. Again, it's a naturally derived material, so it fits the theme of this product really well. And because I want it to feel very soft on my hair, I'm going to be adding this at 4%. I'm not going to add any lipids to this formula because I want it to be really good foaming and cleaning for my hair. And lipids in foaming formulas just decrease some of that foaming and cleaning power. But I am going to add some essential oils. I'm going to be picking cedarwood, atlas, some lavender, and some bergamot. Then I just need to add the inputs that I want to use for each of these essential oils. I'm going to add a small amount of antioxidant. I'm going to pick glycerin as my humectant, and this is going to help support that foam. And for my gum, I could pick xanthan, but I'm going to try something different today and use some solar gum tara. And this is so that I can get some viscosity build in the formula without any stringiness. Because this formula won't thicken on its own, I'm going to use the maximum recommended input of this gum to help build some viscosity. Finally, I'm going to be using some spectrostat to preserve the formula. Then I simply click Generate Method, and there's my formula and method created. Now it's time to head into the lab. And there you go, that's how easy it is to formulate your own shampoo, even for long and damaged hair like mine. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please leave any questions or comments below and make sure you subscribe to createcosmeticformulas.com so that you can get creating your own shampoos. Happy formulating!